In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Vimeo video embed URL with ease. Whether you're looking to share your creations or integrate a video into your website, grabbing the embed link can seem like a daunting task, but don't worry. We'll walk through it together step by step and you'll be ready to go in no time. First, you'll want to start by visiting the Vimeo website. Enter the URL vimeo.com into your favorite web browser and log in with your credentials. It's important to use your login details to access your account so you can view and manage your videos properly. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your personalized homepage on Vimeo. Next, navigate to your library. Your library is essentially the storage space for all your uploaded and saved videos. You can usually find the library option in the main menu or maybe on your dashboard. This is where you'll get a comprehensive view of all the videos you have previously uploaded, making it easy to select the correct one for sharing. Now it's time to select a video. Simply locate the video you want to embed and click on its title. This action will take you to the video's dedicated settings page. It's a good idea to ensure that you're working with the right video, so take a moment to confirm before proceeding. Once you're on the settings page of your selected video, look towards the upper right corner of the screen. You should see a button, or occasionally an icon, labelled Share. On some screens it might appear as a paper plane icon with Share written nearby. Go ahead and click this button. This is the gateway to accessing your embed options. Clicking the Share button brings up a pop-up window. Within this window you'll find various sharing options including social media links and email sharing. For our purposes, focus on the section marked Embed. This area contains the precious code you're seeking, usually a string of HTML that allows you to embed the video onto a web page. At this point, what you're interested in is the bit of code labelled as the embed code. Copy this code carefully, ensuring you don't accidentally miss any characters, as every part of it is crucial for a successful embed. Now what's left is simple. This embed code can be pasted directly into the HTML area of your own website or blog, granting viewers the ability to watch your video right on your site. It's as straightforward as that. By following these easy steps, you can share your Vimeo video just about anywhere you'd like. Feel free to reach out if you encounter any difficulties. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.